Okay, today's my English chat 2019, December 30th. Today's my practice is as below. About English, read article and watch video related to English, and reviewed and study about vocabulary. And about the interview, I say out loud, and also a little bit revise resume. Almost completed to it. About UX, I study design principles by reading books and some articles, and also touch Figma. And today, I prepared for the trip. You mean I packed my stuffs. I did a packing. Tomorrow I'm gonna go back to my parents' home and stay the end of the year and the new year, a couple of days, and maybe my siblings, my sister and brothers and their family will also come there, come to the home, and maybe we will stay temporarily together. So I think I'm gonna meet my cousin, not cousin, but nephew or niece. And yeah, in Japan we stay with our family at the end of the year and the new year. Mostly same to other, maybe this is same compared to other countries. We eat some traditional foods, talk each other, spend time, went to shrine and sometimes pray, or did a couple of traditional events. So I did a preparation, and I have packed. I haven't done all of it yet, but I started packing today. And that's it. That's all. Thank you for watching.